Good day everyone, welcome back to Cook&Fly. Thank you very much for watching this video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you these beautiful tapas. I'm going to be enjoying it with this aperitif Ratafia de Champagne that my friend Alexander sent me from Luxembourg. So thank you very much, Alexander. If you want to get one of these bottles, you can go on aperitif-ratafia.com and you can see there the products. And the most important thing about this is that they have a certification of being a fully vegan Ratafia de Champagne, because remember, some of the producers, they use fish in the alcohol production. And so let's start now because I can't wait to eat this. So before we start with the tapas, I'm just gonna mix the cocktail so we can already enjoy it. And what I'm gonna need for the cocktail is obviously some ice cubes. And I have here some fresh lavender that my friend Lizzie sent me from Frankfurt. And we're gonna add blueberries, some agave syrup, and our Ratafia de Champagne, of course. I have here some mint leaves as well, and lemon zest. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna shake it. That's it. Make sure you mix it, you shake it very well. You get all the aroma of the lavender and all the juice from the blueberries. And if you want to buy this aperitif, you can go on aperitif-ratafia. And I'm sure my friend Alexander is going to be very happy to sell you one of his bottles. And you're going to love it. And that's it. Our aperitif Ratafia is ready. It looks beautiful, I think. And I'm just going to keep it here on the side because if I start drinking, then I'm going to end up drunk and I'm not going to do the tapas. So if you're ready, I'm going to start now. And what I'm going to do first, I'm just going to mix the deal with the cream cheese. That's done. Alright, once you mix your deal with the cream cheese, we're gonna add the cream cheese to a bread. What I've done with my bread is just put it in the oven for like 5 or 8 minutes with some oil and salt and pepper. That's it. But you don't have to add oil if you don't want to. There we go. And this is delicious. Now I'm gonna add the avocado. And I will finish it with some deal on top of it. We're done with the first one. Alright, so for our second tapa, like I said, we're going to use fresh mozzarella. 1, 2. You can use as much cheese as you want. And now I'm just going to add some fresh tomato and coriander. Try not to make a mess. And we're going to finish it with the pesto. That's it, we are done with the second one. Alright, for the third one, I'm starting with the cheese. If you cannot find any of this cheese in the supermarket, remember I have a vegan cheese recipe. You can check it out on the YouTube channel, or you can find the recipe on cook&fly.com. So after the cheese, I'm just going to add some dry tomato. And I'm going to finish it with some oyster mushroom. The oyster mushroom, I've just cut them into half and I pan fry them for a while. And that was it. And like they say in France, voila, we're done! So that's it. Look at these beautiful tapas. And if you excuse me now, it's time to enjoy our cocktail. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, maybe you can do it now. And remember, you can help me share this video on social media or simply like it. I really appreciate it. So thank you very much for watching. That's it for today. And I'll see you next week.